If any additional service is provided by company for the PAX's visiting resort, then that service details can be entered into system under this client services interface. This client service are tracked based on tour operators. Client service is available in booking menu. Click this button to load the interface. This is showing all the saved transactions according to back number of days we provide in settings interface. To make a new client service entry, click new. Provide a reference number for this client service here. Here user can either select a TO name or TO code. On certain TO name, the TO code will be filled in by system. Provide any remarks if any. The booking date will show the current process date. User cannot modify that date. Here, if the ticket handling of that PAX is arranged by the company, then this ticket handling can be selected as true. Or if the ticket handling is not arranged by the company, then the select the ticket handling status as false. For all client service details having ticket handling status true, those client service details will be listed in the ticket handling interface. After providing the details, user can press spacebar to enter PAX details or double click this PAX details tab. Here select a resort name. Provide PAX name. And the arrival date and departure date of the PAX. Provide arrival flight. Provide departure flight. And the arrival transfer. Departure transfer. All the fields which are marked in yellow are the mandatory fields. User can fill other fields if needed. Or to fill in the details. Provide number of rooms here and number of adults, and this total PAX is showing the total PAX visiting the resort. It is the sum of the adult, child and infant we provide here. As you can see, the total PAX is showing the sum of adult, child and infant. After adding the details, user can click on OK to save the details. User can add as much client service details here and click on OK to save the entry. Now the newly saved entry is listed here. User can see the invoice status of the client service details from the master. Now the invoice status is showing not invoiced. It means that this client service is not invoiced in accounts module. Invoice can be generated against client service in accounts part. If a client service has been invoiced in accounts part, then the invoice status will change to invoiced. User can also search for a particular client service details by selecting any of the criteria. Let's search for a client service here. Provide the client service number. The search data is listed here. User can modify the details by this edit button. User want to cancel a particular transaction, then user can select the entry and click the delete button. The cancelled entries will get the status yes under this cancel field. User can also reinstate a cancelled client service. Now this reinstate button is disabled because there is no transaction with the cancelled yes status. For the client service details having cancelled the status, the reinstate button become enabled, and user can click on the reinstate button to enable a cancelled client service details. Here under the generate request, user can see 4 buttons. Generate resort request. With this generate resort request button, user can generate resort request for the client service, and when this resort confirmation is clear, if there is any pending resort request which need to be confirmed, then that details will be listed. And with this generate confirm for TO, user can generate TO confirm request for this client service. User can close this by this close button. User can close the client service master by the close button. Hope you understood how to do a client service entry. If you have any queries, please send mail to support@ps.com.